Hello dear students. So in the last class we have already discussed about the concept of demultiplexer. Demultiplexer is nothing but a single input lines and many output lines are present, and which output line is selected at a time that only depends upon the number of selector lines, the value of the selector lines. And if there are n selector lines are present, automatically 2 to the power n output lines are there on the demultiplexer. So this type of things we have already discussed in the last class, and we have already discussed about 1x4 demultiplexer, and today we will discuss some other types of demultiplexer. So let us start today's class. Another type of demultiplexer is 1 to 8 demultiplexer, or you can say that 1x8 demultiplexer. What is the meaning of 1x8 demultiplexer? 1 means the number of input line is 1, this denotes the number of input line, and 8 means number of output lines. Okay, number of input line is 1, number of output line is 8. 1 to 4 demultiplexer means number of input line is 1 and number of output line is 4. Okay, so if 8 output lines are there, automatically 3 selector lines are present, because 2 to the power 3 is equal to 8. Okay, that the 1 to 8 demultiplexer consists of 1 input and 8 outputs are there, and 3 control lines to make the selection, selector lines or control lines. Okay, then this is the block diagram of 1x8 demultiplexer. Demox means demultiplexer. Okay, 1 input line, that is denoted by D in, and 8 output lines are there, Y0 to Y7. Okay, Y0, Y1, Y2, Y3, Y4, Y5, Y6, Y7. 8 output lines are there. If 8 output lines are there, automatically 3 selector lines are present, S0, S1 and S2. Okay, so this is the truth table of your 1x8 demultiplexer. Like your 1x4 demultiplexer, these are the input lines D, or you can write I as the input line. In case of 1x4 multiplexer, I can take I as the input lines, but here I can take D as the input line. Okay, no issue, D or I, you can take as your choice. And these are the selector lines S2, S1 and S0, and these are the different output lines from Y0 to Y7. If 3 selector lines are 0, automatically Y0 is selected. As we have already discussed about, if all the selector line is 0, Y0 is selected. If S0 is 1, then automatically Y1 is selected. If S1 is 1, S0 is 0, that is 10. 10 means 2, decimal 2. Decimal 2 means Y2 is selected. If S1 is 1, S0 is 1, both the input line is 1, that is decimal 3. So Y3 is selected. If S2 is 1, S1 is 0, S0 is 0, that means 4. This is decimal 4. So Y4 is selected. If S2 is 1, S1 is 0, S0 is 1, then Y5 is selected, because this is nothing but my 5, decimal 5. So Y5 is selected. If S2 is 1, S1 is 1, S0 is 0, this is decimal 6. So automatically Y6 is selected. And if all these selector input line is 1, that is 1, 1, 1, that is nothing but my 7, decimal 7. So Y7 is selected. So which output line is selected that depends upon the value of the selector input lines. Okay. Okay, either y0 is selected, y1 is selected, y2 is selected, y3 is selected. Which output line is selected, that depends upon the value of S0, S1 and S2. If a selector line is 0, then automatically this input line is connected to this y0. If S1 is 0, S0 is 1, then automatically this input line is connected to y1 selector lines. If all the input line is 1, 1, 1, 1, that is decimal 7, so automatically this input line is connected to y7. Okay. So from this truth table, here I am drawing the logic circuit of 1x8 demultiplexer. Okay. You can derive the different equations. Let us consider for y0. What is the equation? All the three are 0. So S0 complement, S1 complement, S2 complement. See, for y0, all the three input are 0. So from S2 complement, one line is there. From S0 complement, one line is there. From S0 complement, one line is there. And these connected to all the output line. Okay. Similarly, what is the value of y1? S2 is 0, S1 is 0. That means S2 complement, S1 complement. And S0 is 1. So S2 complement, S1 complement, S0. See, this is the S2 complement. Okay. And this is the S0. And this is the S1 complement. S2 complement, S1 complement, S0. Okay. All the three equation is connected to this AND gate. Okay. If I take y7, all the three input line is 1. That means S2, S1, S0. See, this is the y7. Okay, this is the y7. See, from S2 one line is there. From S2 this line is there. From S1 this line is there. And from S0 this line is there. And all are combined with this AND gate. If I take any number haphazardly, let us consider y6. Okay, let us consider y6. S2 complement, S1 complement, S0. Sorry, S2, S1, S0 complement. Because S0 value is 0, so S0 complement, S1, S2. See, from S0 complement, one line is there. This is the S0 complement, S1 and S2. Okay. So in this way you can draw the logic circuit diagram of 1x8 demultiplexer. And next one is 1 to 16 demultiplexer. 1 to 16 demultiplexer means one input line and 16 output line. Always in case of demultiplexer, only one input line is there. Okay. And number of output line vary. 1 to 4 means 4 output lines. 1 to 8 means 8 output lines. 1 to 16 means 16 output lines. Okay. One input data. Okay. 16 output line means 4 selector line is present. 2 to power 4 means 16. A, B, C, D. And 16 output lines are there from Y0 to Y50. This is implemented using AND and NOT gate. 1 to 16 demultiplexer implemented using the logic circuit. Okay. So I can directly draw the logic circuit, and you can draw the truth table at your home. And if you have facing any problem, okay, then ask me. Okay. And these are the different application of DMUX. Okay. One single source line is there, and from this one single source line, by applying demultiplexer, I can connect one laser printer, connect one fax machine, connect one printer, okay, and one plotter from this single source line. Okay, by applying the demultiplexer, from this single source line, many output devices are connected. Okay, a demultiplexer is used to connect a single source to multiplex multiple destinations. Demultiplexer are mainly used in the field of communication system. Once from one single source, you can connect different types of output lines. This is the main application of your demultiplexer. Demultiplexer are used for the reconstruction of parallel data and ALU circuits. The demultiplexer receives the output signal of the multiplexer and converts back to the original form of the data at the receiving end. Multiplexer and demultiplexer work together to carry out the process of communication. Okay, from many to one and again from one to many. Many to one means multiplexer and one to many means demultiplexer. Okay, so this is all about your multiplexer and demultiplexer. Thank you.